Hi everyone, and welcome to .Tech's channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the Apple AirPods Pro, second generation. These are a great choice for anyone looking for a pair of wireless earbuds. They offer a number of features that make them a great choice for everyday use, including active noise cancellation, transparency mode, adaptive EQ, spatial audio, IPX4 water and sweat resistance, and long battery life. Features. Let's start with the features of the AirPods Pro, second generation. One of the most important features is active noise cancellation. This feature uses microphones to cancel out background noise, so you can focus on your music or podcast. Transparency mode is another great feature. This mode allows you to hear your surroundings while you're wearing the AirPods Pro, second generation. This is perfect for when you need to be aware of your surroundings, such as when you're walking or biking. Adaptive EQ is another feature that I really like. This feature automatically tunes the sound of the AirPods Pro, second generation, to the shape of your ear for a personalized listening experience. Spatial audio provides a more immersive listening experience with sound that appears to come from all around you. IPX4 water and sweat resistance is another great feature. This means that you can wear the AirPods Pro, second generation, while you're working out or running errands. Battery life. The AirPods Pro, second generation, have a long battery life. You can expect to get up to 6 hours of listening time with active noise cancellation turned on, and up to 4 hours of listening time with transparency mode turned on. The AirPods Pro, second generation, also come with a charging case that can provide up to 24 hours of total listening time. Conclusion. Overall, the Apple AirPods Pro, second generation, are a great choice for anyone looking for a pair of wireless earbuds. They offer a number of features that make them a great choice for everyday use, including active noise cancellation, transparency mode, adaptive EQ, spatial audio, IPX4 water and sweat resistance, and long battery life. If you're interested in learning more about tech content, please check our channel for more videos like this one.